let's be real. Most of us want to be able to hit the gym two hours a day. We want to prep meals to get shredded, read 2 books every week, go out and socialize to meet new people, maybe even get a girlfriend, develop new skills every month, learn a new language every week. Look, we all want to do all that stuff, but then you get this little pesky thing called time. We don't have time to do all that. We have work, we have prior commitments, we have a lot of things going on in our daily life that we always end up making excuses for bettering ourselves. Today, I'm gonna change that. See, what I've learned, you can see my own personal development in these videos. I do not lie. Go back to my first video and then just slowly work your way up and just see how I've developed slowly. What is up, you guys? Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. What is up, you guys? Hey guys, what's up, guys? See, through my own personal development, what I've noticed is that there are about 7 little things that are, honestly, these are tiny adjustments that are daily habits that you can do. They don't take a lot of time, that I would say are responsible for about 80 to 90% of my self-improvement. So today, boys, I don't want to hear the time excuse. Instead, I'm going to give you these 7 tiny things that all of you can put into execution today that are going to better your appearance. Let's go. Number 1, going to sleep and waking up every single day at the same time. For example, my sleep schedule is by 10 p.m. I'm knocked out. I'm up by 4 in the morning. That schedule not only helps me regulate my internal body clock, but also allows me to get just enough or just the right amount of healthy sleep every night. This gives me more confidence. It gives me more energy. It gives me better looking skin. It juices up the muscles because that's when the HGH is produced. Not to mention, it also builds consistency. And consistency, boys, consistency is one of those traits that I want all of you to develop. Once you do this daily, that same consistency is gonna seep into other aspects of your life, like going to the gym or like your work. And consistency, that's gonna lead you to success. Number 2, mewing. See, all of us want to have that sharper jawline. And the truth is that to get it, the easiest and pretty much the only way is by losing body fat. The more body fat you lose, the sharper your jawline is going to look. But there is one thing that you can do that will instantly fix your jawline, and it's called mewing. And it's simple. See, most of us, we keep our tongue on the bottom of the mouth. What I want you to start doing is consciously being reminded to keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth. Look at this. Do you see that? It is an immediate about 1 to 2 inch difference, and it adds more definition to your jawline. I did it with our guy Miguel, the 35-year-old virgin. He did it, and even him, he's a little bit overweight. You could see that immediate difference in his jaw just because you mew. This is a daily habit you can do. It takes no effort, no time, and it makes you look better. Which takes us on to number 3, cleaning up the hairline. See, most of us don't have the money and or the time to go to the barbershop every week or every 2 weeks. What you do have the time for is buying a trimmer, costs you about 50 bucks off of Amazon, and every week or so, freshen up the lineup on your hairline to give you that fresh, almost barbershop look. Again, we did it with Miguel. Look, when Miguel came to our barbershop, there was no barber. I did the whole thing. I lined up his neckline, which is one of the important lines. I lined up the sideburns, and instantly, he looked like he had a fresh cut. He just looked cleaner. And once you style your hair, it's just gonna look like you just went to the barbershop, or at least as close as possible to that, bettering your appearance. What you don't understand is that when you don't do this, once your lineup starts getting all messy, this is just a clear sign that you have not taken care of yourself for a very long time, and that ruins your appearance. So an easy way to do this is focus on the main lines, the back of the neck. Once this starts growing out, this is a clear sign that, you haven't been to the shop in a while. To fix this, grab a magazine or anything straight that's flexible, and you want to fold it and line it up to the lower earlobe. Once you do that, this is going to give you your natural straight line in the back, and everything underneath that magazine, you're going to want to shave off with the trimmer. Then you're going to want to do around the ears and, of course, around the sideburns. You do these, you're going to look fresh. Number 4, I want you to check your hairline. Talking about hairline, take this chance to look out for your hairline and see any deviation. See, a telltale sign that you're starting to lose hair will be in your hairline. And in case you don't know, 2 in 3 men will experience some sort of hair loss by the time they hit 35, which means most of you watching will experience some sort of hair loss. If you can keep an eye on it, especially every week as you're bettering your appearance, as soon as you start seeing any forms of receding hairlines, that's when you need to take action. This is why I've promoted our sponsor Keeps so much to you, because with Keeps, it allows you to actually keep your hair. See, with Keeps, they offer the only 2 FDA generic formulas that help stop hair loss in its tracks and in some cases even regrow some of that lost hair. The interesting part is that Keeps is more effective the earlier you start, which means if you start once you've already lost like 90% of your hair, it's going to be a lot harder to stop and regrow some of that lost hair. But if you start as soon as you see any sort of hair loss, let's say only 5 to 10%, you're going to be in a much better chance to be able to keep as much of your hair as long as possible. And that's going to better your appearance. See, the cool thing with Keeps is that it's a service that allows you to treat hair loss from home, the comfort of your home. See, how it basically works is that once you go online, you fill out the questionnaire, a licensed doctor, an actual doctor will take a look at your profile and then based on your specific case will prescribe any medication that you need. The cool part is that then that medication gets delivered to your door. So no more making appointments, no more annoying doctor's visits, no more having to go to the pharmacy to pick up medication. All of that gets handled from the comfort of your home, from your computer. And the interesting part is that once you do start with the service is that you have access to your doctor 24/7. If you ever have any questions or maybe you have updates on how your care is going, you can always talk to that licensed doctor and you always have that feedback. So I would even say it's better than going to an actual doctor to get treated because with this one, you have access to him 24/7 whenever you need. The point is, boys, that prevention is key. Look, it takes about 4 to 6 months to start seeing some of those results. And when you do see the results, they speak for themselves. See, there's a reason why they got more 5-star reviews than any of their competitors. They just work. They know what they're doing. I want you guys to check them out. If you guys want to check out Keeps, I want you to go to keeps.com/TMF right now. They have a special offer just for you guys where you can start the service and make sure you take action as soon as possible. And look, don't just keep this resource for yourself. Help a brother out. Look, your dad, he's losing hair, help him out. Your uncle, your brother, your cousin, any guy that you know, your friend that is losing hair, put him on Keeps and show them that there is a solution that they can do at home to treat hair loss. Number 5, I want you to say no at least once a week. I don't think you understand the power of saying I'm busy just has on your confidence and your appearance to other people. See, instantly you'll be viewed as more high value because you're being strategic with your time. People are gonna start thinking, man, what is he so busy with? What is he doing? Why did he say no to me? Especially when it comes to girls. See, most guys always say yes to everything because they wanna be the nice guy. I want you to start saying no at least once a week because you're busy for XYZ reason. And just notice how much more power that gives you. 6, work out for a minute a day. You heard me right. I don't want you to hit an hour workout. I don't want you to hit a 2-hour workout. I want you to hit a minute workout, a 1-minute workout. See, the hard part with working out is that most of you don't want to go to the gym, nor do you have time for the gym. But most of you can take 60 seconds from the day and hit 60 seconds of push-ups. See how many push-ups you can do in 1 minute. And then the next day, I want you to add 1 more minute to that. So I want you to do 2 minutes of push-ups. And then the next day, do 3 minutes. The next day, do 4 minutes. And every day, you'll add 1 more minute. And the interesting thing is that you don't have to go to the gym. You can switch it up. So once you're at 3 minutes, you can do 1 minute of push-ups, 1 minute of sit-ups, 1 minute of air squats. And then when you're at 4, add burpees. You can always do body weight workouts from the comfort of your home. The cool part is that after just 1 month of doing this, you'll be working out for 30 minutes every day and you're not even gonna feel it, but what you are gonna feel is that immediate difference on your health and on your physique. And finally, number 7, apply a fragrance. Boys, fragrances have power and when you apply it, it has an immediate change or difference on your appearance. See, you don't understand that when you attract people or when you communicate, you're communicating with all the senses and visual is just one of them. See, your body language and how you talk, that's another. But an important one is how you smell, your olfactory sense. This is the sense that so many guys forget that you can use to attract girls or better your appearance. Shoot, I love fragrance so much, it messes with my confidence so much that I even apply it right before to go to bed. I've told you this before. Right before going to bed, I'll grab one of my more affordable fragrances, do a couple sprays, and go to bed. Not only does my wife appreciate that, like I low-key feel better. Like I sleep good, smelling good. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 tiny things that you can do that will better your appearance. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Keeps. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.